Sobrang daming tao, ang galing ng support ng buong team Bagong Parañaque. Yes.
Naging active ka na ba? Kasi
Yes, I've been active already for the past few years na nag-inabisyo ang aking asawa. Nagsaservisyo ang aking asawa. I've been going down with him already. Gusto ko ibalik ang pagmamahal ng binigay sa akin ng mga tao during the time sa career ko, yung support na binigay sa amin kay Jo Marie Iliana, ang aking asawa. Ibabalik po namin yun. Babalik ko po yun.
Anong tututukan mo, Abby?
Ang tututukan ko is education, women, and health.
And you said, kailan ka naging ka moment na gusto mag-upload?
Yung turning moment na nag-decide ako is nung last campaign period po, lahat ng tao sinasabi sa aking asawa, kung si Jom, si Ma'am Abby na po ang ipalit nyo sa susunod na elections.
Of course, alam mo naman ang showbiz fans,
Yes.
napaka-fact general public, pag may artista tumatakbo, they're always delighted. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
Thank you for all the love and support. Mahal namin kayo. Mahal namin ang lungsod ng Parañaque. We love you all. Thank you for all the support that you've given us all these years. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po kami dito ngayon sa kinakatayo.
And so, and last, ano naman sa mga descriptors, sino mga nasabi ng mga artista tumatakbo, what message do you want to say to them?
Peace be with you. God bless you all. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. We're just here. Gusto lang namin magbigay ng serbisyo sa tao dahil mahal namin ang tao.
How would you differentiate yourself sa ibang mga artista o mga content creator na tumatakbuhan?
Ako kasi, gusto ko lang talaga ibalik ang pagmamahal na binigay nila sa akin. To differentiate myself, I cannot Everybody's doing public service. They do it from the heart. Ang puso kasi ang pinag-iiraw dyan, pagtulong sa tao. Yun talaga po yun.
And how do you feel that ngayon, no, parang you guys are in good and a good way dito sa Parañaque? How did you prepare for this day? Nag-crash course in political science?
For the past 3 years, I've been studying. I've been going to City Hall. Pinag-aralan ko lahat. And I have a really good mentor, which is my husband, Konsehal Jo Marie Iliana. And under Team Bagong Parañaque, ang laking pasasalamat ko dahil kay Kong Edwin Olivares, Mayor Edwin Olivares, and my idol, ang asawa po ni Kong Edwin Olivares, si Ate Janet Olivares. She's one of my inspiration po. Yes.
And of course, all the best. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ay, galingan mo asawa ko. Nandiyan siya.
Wait, speaking of showbiz, babalik nga ba kayo? Babalik kayo sa showbiz? Ikaw, babalik. Kasi si Abby, so you'll take a front seat when it comes to showbiz.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, MJ, miss ko ang showbiz.
Talaga?
Yeah, I miss the craft. I miss yung pagbubuo ng roles. Kasi mundo ko yan since 1989. First film ko, Hihintayin Kita sa Langit, I was 12 years old.
Grabe yun.
Nagkaroon ako ng break, public service, 9 years. So, excited ako doon sa pag-craft.
Meron na bang project in line na in-offer sa'yo? Or are you producing?
Madami. I'm still inclined with music. I love music. I love production. Pero syempre, pinakamalapit sa puso ko is yung acting. Yung craft ng acting.
Yung anak mo's doing well, di ba? He's in TV5. Ano ba, mag-viva ba kayo?
Parang na kami, malapit na kami maging senior.
Ready,
relax na kami, papunta na kami doon. So, lang kami.
Malapit na kami mag-half century.
Unang-una, packaging. So, syempre, I'm looking at maybe 20 to 25 pounds less. And then, mas mature na roles, of course. nandun sa gitna ng daddy at saka lolo.
Grabe naman yun.
Makalolo ka naman.
Oo. No, but Abby loves you just the way you are. O, diba? Pero I understand what you're saying for the film, for the camera, it's different. So ano, pagpapatuloy mo ba yung racing? Anong exercise gagawin nyo?
Yeah, motorsport will always be part of me.
Okay.
And kakambal ng motorsport is yung advocacy ko for road safety. So, kambal yan. So, huwag kumarera sa kalye and maging safe sa kalye, sa ating mga lansangan, public roads. Compete sa mga tama at saka qualified na may franchise na mga racing circuits.
And okay, so right now, syempre kanina nakausap ko na briefly si soon to be Consi, Abby. And what made you tell her na entice her to of course be a leader here sa Parañaque?
Actually, I'm here to support her, and whatever decision is hers and hers alone pagdating sa politics. So, Abby is a native from the barangay ng Baclaran. So, ang roots niya is from there. So, ako support sa kanya. She wants to serve her barangay kung saan galing yung roots niya. And she wants to serve First District of Parañaque.
I did ask her this kasi naging hot topic yung pagtakbo. Alam mo naman na tuwing eleksyon ganun ang tanong, di ba? Na pag yung mga artista tatakbo, ang daming naysayer. This time around, maraming content creator din ang umi-eksena. You've been serving already, so what can you say about that? And sa mga detractors pa rin ng mga personality na tumatakbo sa politika?
Umpisahan ko sa Guapings. Pwede? Way back 1992. Way back 1992. We were trained by the best. The likes of Mother Lily, Douglas Quiano. So, 1992, hindi namin makakalimutan. Congressional entablado ni Sonny Belmonte. And we were there, we were dancing, we were supporting. And tinuruan kami ng mga managers namin and producers namin to endorse the ones we believe in. And we did. Every election we supported everyone we believed in. We never asked anything in return. Hindi kami naghihingi ng talent fee. So, kami naman ngayon, sa naging magandang career namin bilang artista, race car driver, models, and all that, kami nagbabalik lang sa taong sumuporta. It's time to give back sa kung ano yung support na binigay sa amin ng mga kababayan na.
You're saying that your training isn't so far from the public speaking that you're doing as a public servant.
Yeah, kasi it's a moral responsibility, right? Kung meron kaming contribution sa community, sa lipunan natin, is service written all over. So, serbisyo lang. Ganun lang. So of course, hindi mawawala yung mga batikos and all that. Pero we have report cards. We have report cards to prove kung ano yung mga na-deliver natin.
And of course, how do you feel sa suporta ni Jo Marie and yung the whole slate that you're gonna be a member of?
I'm so happy and thankful that I have such a loving and supportive husband. Ang swerte ko sa asawa ko. He's there behind me 100% of the way.
Kinikilig pala niya.
Actually, alam mo,
pag sinasabing Mrs. Iliana, di ba yung mukha? Mrs. Iliana.
Ay?
pero parang mag-best friend kayo. I think isa yun sa sekreto. Kasi,
I think so.
I think, di ba napakahirap magkaroon ng love? Hindi napakahirap, but it's also a challenge to have a love life. And, of course, no, sinasabi nyo nga pa 50, pa golden na. But you manage to find it in this day and age of social media. Nag-reconnect kayo. And what do you just wanna say doon sa mga middle age ba tawag? O kumbaga, Gen X. Sa mga Gen X na tingin nila wala, hopeless na makahanap ng the one.
Struggles, come and go, stages in life, trials, lahat yan eh. But bottom line,
Never give up.
love wins. Love wins.
There's always somebody there that's for you. I believe that. I personally believe that because it happened to me.
Thank you.
John, last question. Anong qualities meron